In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Smart Manager over here. Following that, tap on Cleanup on the left. Wait, hit Cleanup under View Details. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!